Okay guys, here it is, the final video of my build. I finally got it up and running after many little hurdles and challenges. My media center PC. I decided to run Linux Ubuntu. I'm going to be using it to control all my videos and games and movies and music and all the media basically running through here. The installation actually went very smooth. Let me log in here, and later on I will be installing in a separate partition Windows 8 or 8.1. But so far so good. You know, very silent. I don't know if you can hear it. Barely whirring, or the fan is barely noticeable here, but yeah, it looks like it's all working great. There it is, Linux Ubuntu 14.04. Thanks for watching.